Si Steve Nash Enriquez ay kilalang point guard ng Cebu. Halika panoorin natin ang pumukol ng tres highlights niya sa championship game.
Steve Nash Enriquez.
From the red
Rebound. Steve Nash Enriquez.
5 seconds.
Yeah, Peter.
Ball game, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Steve Belenson, Valerie Robles,
Robles. Pass to
Steve Nash Enriquez.
Save Nash for 3.
Steve Nash Enriquez. 3 points.